what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I am so proud of this. I am such a cute banana. Look at me. The peel took me so long to make. Ah! And now it's time to peel off the peel. Nice. Peel the banana, peel, ow. Also, yes, I made this piece out of a Waterloo box. DIY queen! I think there's only one way to do this. Maybe not. Okay, I literally do this every day. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, baby hairs. We don't need the eyelash anymore. This breaks my heart. Well, now there's definitely no going back. Nightmare fuel. And I am no longer a banana. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, from pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact. We gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it in my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay, let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take 2. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done. Finally. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it's time to take this off again. Also, I am Groot. I can't breathe, and I also can't feel my face. So, needless to say, I am very excited. The mouthpiece is already falling off because I've been talking a lot, but let's just... Nice. Now it's time to take this off, and oh my god, I am so excited to breathe again. Whoop. Oh, no. There's a lot of clay on my face. Oh, thank god. I can use my nose. Be gone, Groot. I feel nothing. Nothing. And once again, this is way scarier than the original look. cool thing about covering your whole face with clay is that there's really not that much makeup to take off after. Contacts. And just like that, I am now clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry I have to be quiet again, because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck, and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower, and I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. My phone is about to die, so we gotta do this fast. Starting with the leaves. That was really easy, okay. I'm like always prepared for the worst. Good to know that about myself, I guess. Okay, I feel like these ones are gonna be bad. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's fine. And then, of course, the beautiful smile. I can't see, so finding an edge is really difficult. Found one right here. And, it's stuck. We're just gonna go from the side. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Just lovely. As they say, beauty is pain, and, this is obviously beauty, right? Right? Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. This look here was inspired by My Little Pony, and this is if Twilight Sparkles was, well, scary. I'm gonna start by taking off the wig, because it's kind of sticking to everything now. Now let's do this cute little ear. Ah! I think I got some of my baby hairs, guys. Now let's take off this monstrosity, and it's all very sticky. Ah! I love using clay, but oh my god, it does not feel good. One single lash, and how can I leave you without the nightmare fuel? I don't even know why I do scary makeup anymore. Like, I can just smear paint on my face and put contacts in and I already look terrifying. I'm just gonna go shower. I'm back from the shower and I'm all clean now. I thought the paint was gonna stain my skin, but it really didn't. And you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.